Okay, my question was question 13 from the Algebraic and Cartesian vectors unit, right here. And I got question 13. So this question said, following a flawed parachute jump, Mr. Batterink finds himself hanging from the end of a minute hand of a large tower clock at precisely 10:10 a.m. The minute hand is exactly 8 meters long, and Mr. Batterink weighs 705.6 newtons. What is the magnitude of the torque that his weight produces on the minute hand? And so here I drew a model of what the information says. It says that the minute hand is 8 meters and that he weighs 705.6 newtons. And as you can see, there's like a little guy holding on right there. And so basically all you have to do is find what the angle of the minute hand is. And so since we know that if the minute hand was going to 12, it would be going exactly vertical. And if the minute hand is going to 3, it would be exactly horizontal. So it's obviously got to be somewhere in between there. But since it's 10:10, we know that it goes from 5 to 10 to 15 when it gets to 3 in minutes. So we know that it's 2/3 of the way to 3. So it's 2/3 of the way in between vertical and horizontal. From that we can gather that if you divide 90 degrees into 3, it makes 30, and then you times it by 2 because it's 2/3 of the way, and that would make it 60 degrees. Or if you would like, if it's easier for your brain, you could do it the opposite way, which is 120, and that would give you the exact same answer because they're the same sign. But for me, it was easier to put 60. You get the same answer either way. And then basically from that, you just plug it into the formula. You put 8 because the minute hand is 8 meters long, and then you put 705.6 newtons because that is what he weighs when he's holding on to the minute hand. And then you put the sign of 60 because it is 60 degrees from vertical. And if you calculate that in your calculator, that is how you find the torque. And from this, we found that the torque was 4,888.5 joules. And that is the magnitude of the torque that Mr. Batterink's weight produces on the minute hand in this model.